Study resources. Study resources is the centralized repository for a whole range of additional resources beyond the videos or the flashcards directly. For instance, is a Vocab Videos study guide. This gives you an outline of how to best employ the site and some emphasis on how to get students to buy into creating vocabulary. The glossary, as we've discussed, is a listing of all of the words. This can be printed out and distributed, or something that can be held onto so that when you're in class, you can highlight certain words that students should already know because, of course, they've been studying their vocabulary. We also have definition groups. This PDF is incredibly useful because it groups the words together. For instance, we call this category bad blood. Underneath bad blood, you see the words abhor, acrimony, animosity, antagonistic, contempt, disdain, enmity, rancor, and scorn. All of these are similar words. While they're not exact synonyms, they can be grouped together. Having these groups allows students to organize their thinking and learn a number of words all at once. The Vocab Videos definition groups is a very effective tool for amassing a lot of words at once. Underneath that, you can see the crossword puzzles, quizzes, and worksheets. We've already discussed that worksheets exist for each of the sets of words. This is where you type definitions directly in, or synonyms or sentences directly into a worksheet that you can then print. You'll also find the flashcards that we've already discussed, and a quiz. The quizzes can be administered either online or printed for students to consume in class. Obviously, having assessments is essential. We can't just trust that students will study vocabulary. Having the quizzes already organized should make your life easier. The final hyperlinked opportunity there for resource are crossword puzzles. Here we have crossword puzzles for each of the sets of 20. Definitions appear down at the bottom, and this is a fun activity for students to be able to do in class. We've got downloadable worksheets that you can print and hand out to students, and the PDF quizzes appear at the bottom of the page. So you can actually download a PDF quiz, hand that out to students, and have them answer the questions directly on a piece of paper. All of those will appear underneath study resources.